podcast. It's a political party, that thing. It's a political party. Its role is to depoliticize the youth. It's a political party formed to depoliticize the youth. That is his role. That's why he drinks alcohol during presentation, making alcohol fashionable and telling those who are calling themselves chillers that when you are chilling, you must drink, and then speak loosely about everything black and African, so cheaply. And then when we attend to him, he says they want to cancel me. He thinks he's special. He thinks wearing flip-flops is something special. There is a guy here called Penwell. How do you finance a person who refuses to pay maintenance? Maintenance. Mtu aitsibang kuno tsamaye na atsamaya mara ha patele maintenance. Rena le bana mo ba dikebekwa, criminals all over because of men like Penwell who are not pay maintenance.
If it happens, Julius Malema being the president of South Africa, it's over about South Africa. South Africa will be like Zimbabwe, dictatorship, because Julius Malema like criticizing people, but he don't like being criticized. Because if you are a human being, there's no way you are perfect. If you want people to give you an opportunity to listen to you, you must also give them your ear. Because you are a human being, you are not perfect. We are all not perfect. Julius Malema and the EFF, they must do something for the youth instead of criticizing everything that the youth is trying to do. The youth are protecting South Africa, and at the same time, they are putting bread in their table. But you as a leader, you want to take everything that they have. You want to take everything that they are trying to build because of your power hunger and greediness. How can you say MacG is promoting alcohol or is promoting youth to be drunk and talk careless about our culture, while you at the same time you are owning a nightclub, feeding the same youth you are talking about alcohol? Hypocrisy at its best. First class hypocrisy.